Alright, so I wanted to give you a little tutorial on how to fold this handout if you wanted to print it out. Totally optional. So I've already creased mine, but go ahead and take the time right now and you're really going to crease it. So start by folding it like a hamburger, sorry. Fold it like a hamburger, right? Fold it over. Then you're going to fold it like a hamburger again. So you're going to fold it over one more time. Your goal is to get all these little pages all creased out. Doesn't really matter the order right now because you're just looking for creases. And then one more time, fold it over, make sure those creases are nice and strong. So at this point you kind of have like a little book, but you don't have them in the right order. So here's where the magic happens. You're gonna go ahead, you're gonna unfold it to this stage, to the halfway part if you need help getting there, right? We started here, we're gonna do a hamburger, okay? Now take some scissors, hopefully you have scissors, or if you're like a really talented tearer, you could do it this way too. And you are going to cut, so on this book, you're gonna cut this little section right here between terms and leading term, and then parts of a polynomial and leading coefficient. So right in the middle, right where this crease is, you can see this crease, you're gonna cut that middle part. So you're trying to create a hole in the middle of your paper. There you go. So you're creating a hole right through the middle of your paper right there. All right, now this part is kind of cool, is that you're gonna hold it out in front of you. I'll try to do it this way so the writing shows you. You're gonna hold it out in front of you, and then you are going to kind of flip it over so that you are now in a hot dog, but you wanna keep that hole there, and you're gonna pinch the middles together, so you kind of create like a T with those sections, and then you are going to flip the blank part back, flip the parts of the polynomial over, and you now, if you just go ahead and kind of create your new creases, you now have a little book where you can take some glue on the back side, glue this into your notes, and you have parts of a polynomial, terms, coefficients, constants, leading term, leading coefficient, and degree, all set, ready to go.